Hello guys, a very warm welcome back to my channel. I am Kavita. It is day 4 of our daily practice series. Guys, this sentence will help you build your confidence and use simple phrases in your daily conversation. So join us every day for new lessons. Let's make speaking English a habit together. I eat, I eat, she sings, she sings, we play, we play, he runs, he runs, they dance, they dance. I read, I read. She writes, she writes. We swim, we swim. He speaks, he speaks. They laugh, they laugh. I sleep, I sleep. She cooks, she cooks. We walk, we walk. He study, he study. They fight, they fight. I watch, I watch. She listens, she listens. We jump, we jump. He teaches, he teaches. They talk, they talk. I smile, I smile. She cry, she cry. We draw, we draw. He paints, he paints. They travel, they travel. I think, I think. She drinks, she drinks. We wait, we wait. He drives, he drives. They listen, they listen. I learn, I learn. She reads, she reads. We clean, we clean. He helps, he helps. They smile, they smile. I enjoy, I enjoy. She prays, she prays. We celebrate, we celebrate. He sings, he sings. They play, they play. I walk, I walk. She sobs, she sobs. We sit, we sit. He opens, he opens. They close, they close. I live, I live. She loves, she loves. We give, we give. He asks, he asks. They work, they work. I laugh, I laugh. She swims, she swims. We write, we write. He cooks, he cooks. They sing, they sing. I sit, I sit. She stands, she stands. We learn, we learn. He reads, he reads. They teach, they teach. I run, I run. She sleeps, she sleeps. We clean, We clean. He waits. He waits. They cry. They cry. I drink. I drink. She smiles. She smiles. We enjoy. We enjoy. He plays. He plays. They study. They study. I ask. I ask. She helps. She helps. We build. We build. He fix. He fix. They try. They try. I observe. I observe. She decides. She decides. We watch. We watch. He grows. He grows. They climb. They climb. I explore. I explore. She dance. She dance. We pray. We pray. He shares. He shares. They drive. They drive. I think. I think. She eats. She eats. We shout. We shout. He whispers. He whispers. They read. They read. I listen. I listen. She gives. She gives. We thank. We thank. He greets. He greets. They stay. They stay. I agree. I agree. She disagrees. She disagrees. We remember. We remember. He forgets. He forgets. They argue. They argue. Thank you for watching and happy learning. And guys, subscribe for more video and like.